How you prepare a rental property before listing it sets the tone for the entire tenancy. A well-prepared unit attracts better applicants, commands higher rent, and reduces your maintenance headaches down the road. Here's what to do before listing. Deep clean everything. Not just surfaces, inside appliances, inside cabinets, bathrooms, and baseboards. A professionally cleaned unit communicates that you take maintenance seriously. Tenants who move into a clean unit are more likely to keep it clean. Complete every maintenance item: broken fixtures, dripping faucets, sticking doors, damaged flooring. Fix everything before the first showing. Showing a unit with outstanding maintenance issues signals that you're a negligent landlord and attracts tenants with low standards. Touch up or repaint. Fresh neutral paint is one of the highest ROI preparations. It photographs well, eliminates odors, and makes the unit feel new. Test every appliance and system. All burners, the oven, dishwasher, HVAC, water heater, and smoke detectors. If something doesn't work, fix it before move-in day. Take professional quality photos in natural daylight before any furniture is moved in. Photos are your listing's first impression. Poor photos cost you applicants. Document the condition thoroughly before the tenant moves in. A signed move-in inspection with time-stamped photos is your protection at move-out. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Attract quality tenants with a quality property, then screen them carefully.